Alright, well we haven't exactly got prime conditions here this morning. It's absolutely blowing a gale. Poor old Dave, he's tucked himself straight up in the car because he's getting attacked by marsh flies. He's not happy, are you, Dave? So yeah, he's going to cook up another jaffle for brekkie, but with this wind I think it's pack up that before it blows away and get out of here. Right, well me and Dave were all packed up. I think Dave's quite happy about that. The poor bugger's not a fan of march flies out here. Did also find a paralysis tick on him last night, so that's another thing to be aware of out here if you bring in your pooch. Yeah, anyways, it's been pouring rain all night, so it's going to be nice and moist out there. Got barely any fuel because for some reason I didn't bother to check that before I headed off out of Wooleye yesterday. Anyways, hopefully I'll make it to Jacobia, get a little bit of fuel, and then it's home for a massive clean-up job. Definitely slippery. The other side of this, the swag's still on the roof. Gonna have to find another way, another gate, but can't go in here either. Far out. Alright, so note to self, do not follow Google Maps when you're out in forest trails. They just get you lost. And as if I'm not good enough at that by myself without bloody help. I hope this one's not as muddy as the other one the other day. Oh, nice rocky bottom. Giddy up. up on a road that I knew there was another lookout. I wasn't going to worry about it today due to lack of fuel, but it looks like we found it. Yeah, this one's pretty epic too. Alright, well we've ended up back on the main drag. A bit disappointing, but with the amount of fuel I got, I can't be going and trying to find the way I was trying to find. Wet in here. You right there, Dave? Not happy, Jen.